Hello, this is Susan again. I'm on the beach. It's been a bit windy and everything's been blowing all over the place, but it's a lovely place. It's a bit lot of like gravel and lots of like quite lots of stones, some shells as well on the beach. But this is part of this beach, and it's sheerness actually. Yeah, let me introduce myself again. My name is Susan. It's my YouTube. And I normally bring content like story things that if I can come on this beach and can come up with a story, anything humorous, anything laughable, anything that brings nice, makes you feel happy in the heart, and you can be here. This is what I normally do, a little bit of going here and there. And this is me today. I've come to this beach. It's normally where people come. Today it's fairly empty. I'm not seeing any people around. Yeah, nobody's around. Even if I turn this camera, you can see nobody's around. The beach is very, 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 very lonely. Nobody around, only these seagulls that have come out here to look for little fish. They're busy pecking. Others are just on the sea and they dip in their beaks to get a small fish or so. This is how where they come. So far, this is it. The other end, you can see there's a town or a place. The other end, I think it's Southend-on-Sea, Essex. Yeah, and you can see a little dinky boat already on the ocean. There are people who have really like gone out to do a bit of maybe fishing, enjoying themselves, because the climate's getting warmer. Yeah, so that's it for now. You can see as I walk. Everything's a bit pleasant, so I'll just walk a little bit. See me walking with the wind blowing. Yeah. Seriously, it's like very, 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 very quiet. And nobody around. Maybe one or two people. And their dogs. And this seashore here. It's got a lot of rocks. I'm really walking very slowly just in case I fall down or trip down. So I'm taking my steps steadily. So this is it. This is part of Sheerness. This is, I think it's the English part of Channel. This strip of water goes right across. Yeah, so I will show you where it is. That's the water. So this is the beach with lots of rocks and shells and so on. So let me walk a bit. You can see the other end with that development, like people's homes and things happening. So today it's not been a very, windy day. The sun is not come out. It's a little cloudy, as you can see. It's a little bit cloudy. See the clouds. It could drizzle any moment. So we're just going to walk quietly. Wow, I nearly fell down. I can't believe this. These fall down on these rocks and I might hit one of these stones and no, get a tooth missing, but then I'll be careful. No worries. This is it. Yeah, it's actually a nice beach. People come here. So, this is what we have here, and we make the best of it. And I know people come picnic. We have got like benches up there where somebody can sit and have a picnic or something, and meet up with families, and just come strolling. There's a path along the way up there. Yeah, there's a path, a big pavement path with a step. There's a place for people who can't walk steadily. There's like a narrow steps with something to hold on to as you go up. So this is it. Just come here, have a little bit of a stroll, try to catch up this place. Yes. Very, very interesting. So I'll just like maybe go up 2 steps because I've showed you part of this beach. Yeah, it's interesting. And yeah, this is me. My name is Susan, and you'll be seeing some little content like this about me doing things, more stories. Some are humorous, some are bring laughter to the heart, some make somebody happy. Yes, this is what I normally do. Yeah, so these steps are very steep. You can see, very steep. So let me go up and look at the shells. Look at the shells. Look at the shells. Look at the shells here. Here's this place. So these are the shells. I think when the sea comes right to the end here. The shells are thrown out here so that people normally pick them. There's plenty of the shells because this is part of the walkways and enjoyment places where people come. They sit on these benches. Nice little benches. Also, Sheerness. Nice place. Yeah, so I'm happy. I'm sitting now down. Yes. Now walking across the pavement. That's the other side is like a playground. You can see it, yes. The other side. This side is just a walking place. It's quite wide, and it's good because people even can cycle across. Oh, they can bring their wheelchair here. And most likely they just come and have a holiday or something, and they're not really a holiday, a picnic or holiday outing. And those bunches are for memorial flowers for people, in memory that they are no longer with us. Yes, so there we are. So at least I've told you about this place. It's a beautiful place for me. I find it's beautiful. And I enjoy being here. I've been happy here. And just wanted to give you a short story about, it's not a story, but just an experience on this beach. It's got lots of stones. There is a very lonely beach. My hair, sorry, is like blown everywhere. It's very windy. Anyway. Yes, that is it. I have to say goodbye because I didn't intend to make it too long. Goodbye. 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 See you in my next video. Thank you very much. And give me a thumb up and press the like button. Thank you. See you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.